In a country where up to 20 million children remain out of school, according to UNESCO, the challenges to education are immense. And even within the walls of learning, quality education can sometimes be a distant reality. But at Mavis Computel, we believe in the power of innovation to bridge this gap. Introducing the Talking Books.
Here we have the Mavis pen with the different books, and that's what we call the Talking Books.
Hot.
And you can go letter by letter.
Hot.
Da safe ana cewa ina kwana ko barka da safe. Da turanci sai a ce good morning.
An indigenous solution bringing quality education to children, no matter where they are, in their own local languages. These books speak, they interact, they teach. From our offices to the furthest corners of the country, we're putting education back in the hands of our children.
Door. D is for dog. Dog. Capital letter N and small letter N.
We're seeing the spark of curiosity reignite, the thirst for knowledge reawaken.
My kid come home telling me they were using a computer pen. I believe from what she told me, it made me believe that it's one of the devices they use in their school to make them learn better in terms of computer, and it's a lovely idea.
Good. When the pupils are doing it, they are improving in reading and understanding. Also in mathematics, they read it, also they understand it, they can calculate it faster than the way they are before.
The use of the board was minimized. Has been minimized. The children have direct contact with the book and then the talking pen. So it has really helped the teachers. Instead of writing lots of lesson notes, go straight to the point, and the children are practically involved.
But it's not just about the technology. It's about people too. We train learning facilitators, empowering them to guide this new wave of learning.
Plan a lot because some of my learners now, if I meet them by the roadside, they know how to greet me in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. They can differentiate between morning, afternoon, and evening.
Nice to meet you. Since you met him, nice to meet you too.
Together, we're changing the face of education, one talking book at a time. Mavis Computel, empowering the future, one child at a time.